Welcome to Animal Kingdom Lodge, my favorite Disney resort. At Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, you'll find a soaring lobby where art, culture, and flavors of Africa are on display everywhere you turn. Come along as we share the highlights and a few honest critiques from our recent stay at Jambo House. We're so glad you've joined us today. If you're planning a Disney World vacation, here is exactly what you can expect when checking in at AKL, including 2 of our favorite resort meals. But first, let's head straight to the room.
Jambo!
Welcome to Animal Kingdom Lodge, my favorite Disney resort. That's making a pretty big statement considering how much we stay at the Boardwalk, as it is our home DVC resort, but we have stayed both DVC and hotel locations at Animal Kingdom Lodge, and here at Jambo House, we're in a hotel room today. So this isn't going to be a DVC with the big kitchens we often show you, but we're going to show you what's a good choice for our family of 5 staying here. Actually, our Nani is joining us later tonight, and so we got an adjoining room, and she has the mirror image of our same room on the other side of this adjoining door. We will be opening it up so we can see each other. As we enter the room, the thing that I always love about all things Animal Kingdom and Animal Kingdom Lodge is just the heavy wood details, all the shout outs to, well, obviously Lion King, a beloved favorite, but there's just a groundedness to the art in this place that's really special. I don't want to show you some of the details. Honestly, I thought this would be carved, not like printed on, but it's fine. The thing about it being all this like thick, heavy, dark wood is that when the room is a little smaller, not those big open DVC rooms, it does kind of make the room feel a little more tight. So just be aware that it's not as bright and airy and open, at least when we don't have the sun streaming in from outside. A bit of hanging space up here as well as some down here. So some of my shorty stuff for my kids could hang up down below. And you could definitely fit a laptop in this safe, but I've never seen a steam iron like this in a Disney hotel room. Is this a common thing? If you've seen these in other places, let me know, because I kind of want to play with this. I'm going to have the most wrinkle-free clothes you've ever seen. That's fun. And over this way, we have the bathroom. And like many of these Disney locations, you've got the giant barn door with a big mirror on it. I love these. They have the space-saving elements of a pocket door, but just have so much character to them.
Oh. Hi.
Here you see again, we've got like these dark finishes on all of the faucets and accessories. Everything's kind of these warm, rustic, natural colors, lots of oranges and dark browns and rusts. The bathroom here does not have a tub. It has a shower with a glass door. We've definitely stayed in some that had shower curtains, probably in older DVCs. So the glass door is nice for cleanliness sake. I like this unit here to give you lots of organization without taking up too much space. And it is helpful that the toilet and shower room has a pocket door, as we talked. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, you push the button and it pops. And with the pocket door, if you need to get ready in the morning while someone's in the shower, you can still have the kids brushing their teeth and getting ready. So double layers of privacy. Boom, boom, Hakuna Matata. Even the trash can here is so thoughtful. Like the woven basket. Like that's so much prettier than most hotel trash cans. I love it. Here, since we don't have a full kitchen in the hotel rooms, we do have a little coffee station here with a Keurig. Our supplies for that in here are our Joffrey's Keurig pods. We do have a couple, there's a green tea and an English breakfast. So if you absolutely need your coffee fix, you have the supplies without leaving your room. We'll probably go get something better out in the parks. There's also a cooler here. It's a beverage cooler. It specifies that it's meant to cool beverages. If you need something for formula or breast milk or medicine, you can let them know that you have a need for something that's a true refrigerator. Sunrise on the Savannah. But the thing I usually like about Animal Kingdom Lodge is getting to look out over the Savannah from our room. And today we have a resort view, not a Savannah view room. So there are no normal Florida wildlife. But besides that, no animals out our windows tonight. Like these, I love these. I have some similar to this hanging in the living room. And in case you can't tell, sometimes I try to recreate Disney magic at home.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
How's Tiana? We've got some really large drawer space in here. Okay. So the drawers look big and chunky, but they're actually kind of shallow. They're totally sufficient, 6 drawers in this chest, but it's not ginormous. And I have 2 USB ports and 2 regular outlets here. And the same thing again on this other side. While over here on the little bedside ledge, just this little floating shelf, we have 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. So those little floating shelves are at both far ends of the beds because we've got 2 queen beds here. And in the center, we have 2 outlets and 2 USBs behind this Hey Disney. Sorry, I didn't mean to wake you up. Oh no, it's turned off. Honestly, this room is smaller than our typical room, but I still stand by the details of this resort. So much thought that went into it. I mean, just the chunkiness of this table and the detail up along the top edge of the room, the texture on the walls. I love it here. We do have a small balcony outside. It doesn't connect through to Nani's balcony. They're separate. But out here, we have 2 little chairs and a little table, which you can't see, so I'll show you in the morning. But we're mostly facing out into parking lot. We're only here for 2 nights this day, and we're gonna make the most of our time in the parks, but this is one of our favorite resorts for eating down at their quick serve, the Mara. So we're gonna go show you more of the resort. The room is a good start, but let's go explore. Off to get breakfast. We're on the Ostrich Trail hallway, and there's a smell in the hallway. Maybe because the carpets look like they've been here a little while, but it reminds me of the walk-in freezer when I used to work in food service. That kind of smell. Even if you don't have a Savannah room, you can still spot giraffes and impalas. Just head to the large windows at the back of the resort. When you're ready for a bite, head to the bottom floor and exit toward the pool area to find the Mara. As a gluten-free and dairy-free family, quick service can be tricky, but the Mara is one of our favorite quick resort breakfasts. It offers a unique African spin on the usual Disney staples, plus a great selection of packaged gluten-free snacks for your room. For allergy orders, you'll consult with the chef and receive a pager to let you know when your meal is ready. The allergy-friendly waffles here even feature Simba. We also love the breakfast bowls topped with chakalaka, a zesty African-style stewed tomato. Jambo House is also home to Victoria Falls, one of our favorite bars on property, and Boma, a legendary buffet. We didn't dine at Boma this time, but you can check out our full review of that experience in this video here. When it's time to head to the parks, Disney's bus transportation is easy to catch right out front. However, keep in mind that Animal Kingdom Lodge is a bit more secluded. Aside from the quick hop to Animal Kingdom, the bus rides to the other parks take a bit longer than you might expect, so budget extra time. After a long day in the parks, we were exhausted and craving a nice sit-down dinner even though we didn't have a reservation. Luckily, Sanaa at Kidani Village, the neighboring AKL building, was able to squeeze us in. While we didn't snag a Savannah view, they have bar area seating perfect for walk-ups. Sanaa's Indian-influenced menu is incredibly approachable, even for kids and less adventurous eaters. The gluten-free bread service here is absolute legend among Disney guests, with a wide range of chutneys and dips easily modified to be dairy-free. It's a total treat. The fresh veggies, proteins, and rice are the perfect reset after a day of theme park snacks. I mean, even I have a limit on how many Dole Whips I can handle. Animal Kingdom Lodge is so much more than a hotel. It's an immersive experience that perfectly embraces Disney's signature edutainment. Yes, that's education and entertainment. We didn't even have time for the incredible pool splash pad or a long afternoon of animal watching this visit, but if I were picking a hotel for a resort-centric Disney trip, this would be it. That said, there are some other strong contenders you should consider, like these two resorts right here. Thanks for watching, travelers!